Dear students, today in this class, let us learn about the topic force and pressure. Now, let us discuss the concepts of push and pull, state of motion, definition of force, and effects of force. Let us deal with these topics one by one. The words push and pull are very common in our day to day life. Let us look into some pictures and then analyze what type of force is applied, whether the force of push or pull. Now, in this picture, a man is trying to move a car away from him. In the second picture, a player is trying to push a ball by using a hockey stick. What is common in both these pictures? In these pictures, one of the common factor is both the persons are trying to move the objects away from oneself. Let us look into another event there. A horse is pulling a tanga. In this picture, the horse is trying to hold the tanga towards itself. In this picture, a man is pulling a cart. Here also, the force is applied in such a way that he is trying to move the object towards him. In this picture, we can see a group of boys are trying to pull the rope. In all these pictures, some of force is being applied, whether it is in the form of push or pull. So, from these pictures and discussion of the pictures, we can come to a common understanding that both the words push and pull are used to perform some work. And we use the term push to move an object away from us, and we use the term pull to move an object towards us. And the definition of push is a force which is applied to make an object move away from oneself. Pull means a force which is applied to bring an object close to oneself. So, when you say that something can change the state of motion of an object by pulling or pushing, so this will give more clarity about definition of force. The force can be defined as a push or pull that can change the state of motion of an object. Now, let us learn about the effects of force. Now, in this picture, I am showing a goalkeeper trying to stop a ball. So, if the goalkeeper don't apply force on the ball, what happens? The ball keep on moving, which means it will continue its state of motion. So, unless a force is applied, the moving object will be keep on moving. So, we can conclude here that a force can stop an object from moving. Let us look into another object. A hockey player is trying to move the object with the help of hockey stick. If the stick is not coming in contact with the ball will not move. If the ball is at rest, we need to apply force in order to move the object. So, force is needed to move the object or stop the object. In other hand, force is needed to change the speed of an object as well. Now, we came to know two things. The first one is force can do stop a moving object. Second one is a force can change the speed of an object. Let us look into this scene. A batsman is trying to hit a cricket ball. That the batsman is trying to do is he is trying to change the direction of the motion of the ball. Let us look into another object of squeezing a lemon. During this process, the shape of the lemon is changed. In the same way, a number of events around us, such as playing with the rubber band will get stretched. In clay modeling, clay is used to make different models. That means force is needed to change the shape of an object. So, we can conclude that force can stop a moving object, force can change object at rest, force can change the speed of a moving object, force can change the direction of motion, force can change the shape of an object. I hope today you are clear about the concepts push and pull, definition of force, effects of force. Please note down these questions for home assignment. Okay, students, Let us discuss about the classification of a force in the next class. Thank you.